In June 1950, thousands of North Korean troops crossed the 38th parallel into South Korea, starting the Korean War. The United States soon committed troops to support South Korea. But the demands of the war effort, coupled with the continued post-World War II rebuilding of the European and Japanese steel industries, produced a domestic steel shortage in the United States. In Perlman v. Feldmann, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit was asked whether a steel company officer breached his fiduciary duty when he sold both his stock and the right to control the output of the company's steel. Russell Feldmann, the president and chairman of the board of Newport Steel Corporation, owned 33% of Newport's stock. His stock ownership represented a controlling interest in the company. In August 1950, Feldmann sold all his stock to Wilport Company, a syndicate of steel users, for $20 per share. Wilport wanted control of Newport in order to ensure it had a continuing supply of steel in an increasingly tight market. As part of the stock sale, Feldmann agreed to obtain the resignations of Newport's board of directors and to replace them with directors of Wilport's choosing. This change in directors would provide Wilport control over Newport's steel output. Jane Perlman joined several Newport minority stockholders and filed a derivative action in federal court against Feldmann and others. They alleged that Feldmann had profited illegally from the sale of his stock because he was paid a premium for the power to control the output of Newport's steel. The minority stockholders further alleged that any commercial advantage that Newport had in a tight steel market belonged to all stockholders, not just Feldmann. The suit sought restitution of Feldmann's alleged illegal gains. The district court determined that Feldmann's stock sale included only the normal rights held by any dominant stockholder and that the minority stockholders hadn't proved that the stock price was unfair. The court dismissed the complaint. The minority stockholders appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit.